Moxion is at it again. They will be releasing this Baki model that is a non-traditional Gundam mech. Price and date to be announced. This model kit will feature a soft gel bionic muscle design on its body, complemented by multiple strands of flexible soft gel hair that allows for dynamic flowing hairstyles based on various poses. As a boxer, this model boasts a powerful arms that serve as his primary weapons. So far, this is the prototype copy. We're just going to wait for the actual colored model kit for the preview. And next on the list is the Jiang Zhouzi X Caesar Works 1:100 scale Mandala model kit. Price and release date is still to be announced. Some people on Facebook commented that this is an AI created mech. They have mixed feelings. They either like it or they shun it. Personally, I like the traditional design that I'm used to, and I can see inspiration from several Gundam series. Anyway, stay tuned for more update by subscribing. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.